Hi, this is a short video on the Soundcraft Ghost mixing console. This is a 24 channel inline console with 8 groups. Today we're going to just go through the channel section of the console, and in other videos we'll go through other aspects of the mixing console. So starting at the top of the channel, we have our line button, which allows us to switch between the line input or the mic input of the console. When it's depressed, it's for line. When it's up, it's mic. This is our input sensitivity, which is our preamp gain. Next, we have our polarity reversal, so our phase switch for the input. Then we have our high pass filter rolling off the low end. Then we have two parts of the monitor section input, our tape trim and our reverse, which allows us to select the input for our channel section to be the actual tape return. Below that we have a high frequency shelving and low frequency shelving EQ at 12 kHz and 60 Hz. And then below that we have a 2-band fully parametric EQ going from 400 Hz up to 20,000 Hz, fully variable Q, and from 25 Hz up to 1.5K. We have an EQ in and out switch. And then we have our auxiliary section. Auxiliaries 1 and 2 are switchable between pre and post fader, allowing them to be used for headphone sends in pre mode and for effects in post. All other auxiliaries are set to post fader. Auxiliary 3 and 4 can be switchable so that the knobs can be used for auxes 5 and 6, allowing us 8 auxiliaries even though we only have 6 knobs. Auxiliaries 7 and 8 are stereo, post fader. Below that we have our monitor section, and then below that we are back to our channel section. So we have a channel pan, a fader, a cut switch or mute, and a solo switch for each channel. We also have routing facilities. So we have an L-NOR button, which is essentially our on-off switch, which routes the signal to the master bus. We have groups 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. To assign something to just one of the groups, for instance group 5, we would press in the 5 and 6 button and pan left. To get group 6, we'd pan fully right. This is the channel section of the Soundcraft Ghost.